Frustrated with your BMW sticky door handle? You can easily replace it with a new handle now. Firstly, remove the door opener level bowl cover using a prier tool. Then, unscrew the T30 screw at the bowl area. Next, remove the wooden door panel trim using a prier from the top area to prevent potential damage to the acrylic light bar located at the bottom of the trim. Then, unscrew the T30 screw hidden beneath the panel trim. Use large panel trim removal priers to unlatch the panel clips inside the door panel. Now, you can grab the door panel cover and gently pull outwards to remove the cover. You're required to unhook and remove the connector on the Windows controller. Next, unscrew the 4 pieces of T20 screws that hold the door handle in place. You can either push the door handle from its back or pry to remove it from the top. Use a flathead screwdriver to unhook the clips that hold the Windows controller. Then, reattach the Windows controller to the new door handle trim. Gently insert the new door handle trim and press on all the corners until you hear the clip-on sound. Then, reattach the Windows controller connector at the back of the panel. Now, tighten all the 4 pieces of T20 screw that hold the door handle in its position. Then, reattach the door panel cover and gently tap on the edges of the cover to ensure all the panel clips are secured. Tighten the 2 pieces T30 screws that holds the door panel cover into its position. Next, put back the wooden door trim into its position. Finally, latch on the door opener level bowl cover and press gently to ensure it latches and you're done. Check out the newly replaced driver's side door handle.